Everybody needs to like this video right now because if we hit 100,000 likes, I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free pair of new AIRPOD Pros. So make sure you go like and subscribe. This is a pangolin. Pangolos are the most trafficked mammals in the world due to their meat and scaly skins. This is what rabbit homes look like. This cat loves sunbathing. Here's a beautiful view of Tokyo. If you own a horse, you'll have to shave it every now and again as part of its maintenance. But some individuals get creative with this. This is probably the funnest slide ever made.